Hi, I'm Jeff Gamet for the Mac Observer, and the Apple Watch Series 4 was just released. Here it is in its boxed glory. The new Apple Watch comes in two sizes, 40 millimeter and 44 millimeter. That's up from the previous models, 38 millimeters and 42 millimeters. Bigger displays, and now we have an ECG feature so that you can get more heart rate data, and it sounds like a pretty cool watch. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what's inside. So here's the new Apple Watch Series 4. Let's get this thing unwrapped. All right, so we have a nice little pull tab, and I was expecting it to kind of come apart butterfly style. No such luck. Okay. Tabs on the bottom. Oh, that's fun. Okay. And we have two packages. Okay, we'll get that out of the way. First up, it looks like we have our watch band. Great. And now we have our watch. And okay, that's fun. It's Apple Watch cozy. All right, that's cool. And there's the sensors on the back. Okay. I'll just slide that back in here for now so I don't break it before I finish setting it up. And in the rest of the packaging, instruction manuals, I'm assuming. Yep. And we have a charger and the charger block. Great. Okay, so we can check out the band real quick. Did Apple make this easy to get into? Apparently, yes. And like all the other watch bands Apple sells, there you go. Comes in easy to use packaging. Great. All right, well, let's hook this up to a watch band, and we can compare it to my Apple Watch Series 3. That's assuming I can get the pieces out of here. I clearly need to work on my skills. Or, holy crap, that's actually really hard to fit in there. Well, that's interesting. Maybe the other side fits a little better. All right. That was a chore getting that in there. Okay, we are set. Let's see how this compares to Apple Watch Series 3. And size-wise, just looking at them together, that's not too much difference. And I'm still having a hard time seeing much of a difference between the two. The big difference that I'm seeing really is that the body seems a little bit thinner on the new watch. All right, so let's compare size on. And side by side, I'm going with, that doesn't look like it's any bigger to me. Okay, so my big concern with the Series 4 Apple Watches was that the sizes were going to be significantly different, significantly bigger, and that it was going to feel like I was putting a really big clunky box on my arm. It seems like that's not the case, and that's great. So there you go. That is Apple Watch Series 4, and it doesn't look like it's any bigger than the previous models when you put it on, but you get a bigger display. So that's great. Okay, now that we've checked out the Apple Watch Series 4, let's talk real quickly about getting yours set up with your iPhone. If you're setting this up with a brand new iPhone, like maybe you got an iPhone XS or XS Max, what you need to do is start by going to the Watch app on your iPhone and unpair your Apple Watch. That will force it to do a backup, and then you can back up your iPhone to iCloud and set up your new iPhone. When you set up your new iPhone, you will choose the backup that you just made to restore during the setup process, and then pair your new Apple Watch. When you pair your new Apple Watch, you'll get an option to either set it up as new or to restore it from a backup. Choose the backup that was just made when you unpaired your old Apple Watch, and you're done. Now, if you are just getting a new Apple Watch and keeping your old iPhone, not a problem. You start the same. You just go to the Watch app and unpair your Apple Watch. Now set up your new watch, pair it, and it will ask during the setup process if you want to set it up as new or restore from a backup. Choose that backup. Your new watch will be paired with the iPhone you already own, and you'll be back in business. I'm Jeff Gamet for the Mac Observer. Thanks for watching.